Terry Marxen Chevrolet Cadillac. No pressure, no hype, just real hometown values. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory. It comes equipped with WT Convenience Package, Preferred Equipment Group 1WT, OnStar and Chevrolet Connected Services capable, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 Premium Audio System, Bluetooth smartphone integration, Chevrolet Connected Access capable, wireless phone projection, solar absorbing tinted glass, easy lift power lock and release tailgate, power front windows with driver express up and down. We will not be undersold by any Chevy dealer in the state on the same make, model, equipment, options, and year. Terry Marxen Chevrolet Cadillac in Flagstaff.